In the past, ships were primarily used to navigate the vast expanses of the ocean. Unbeknownst to us, these vessels have undergone an evolution, giving rise to a distinct class with a glamorous aura akin to a five-star hotel known as yachts. This transformation was brought to life by the hands of renowned designers, aiming to craft luxurious yacht designs for the elite. These designers would spend countless nights carving out lines that would eventually form a lavish yacht, leaving no room for disappointment for their prospective owners. The satisfaction comes when the designer sees the real form of their sketches. Initially, the process of creating a yacht starts with the construction of the frame. Made from sturdy steel materials and assembled through skilled welding by the workforce. Without fatigue, these workers collectively work on the designed frame parts by the ship engineers. Sparks fly continuously during the welding process to ensure the keel of the ship is strong enough to withstand the fierce ocean waves. Unnoticed, the diligently worked frame by the employees begins to come together. Assisted by machinery to lift the completed frame, the human masterpiece gradually reveals its true form. From the stern to the bow, each part is installed firmly and neatly. The bridge is also mounted at the top of the ship as the place for the captain to navigate the future direction. Not to forget, a diesel engine, which will operate under the captain's command, is installed within this yacht. While the workers take a break to relax their muscles, a man in a white shirt checks whether the ship's structure is perfect or requires minor adjustments. On another side of the factory, some workers skilled in woodworking diligently assemble the interior parts of the ship. They play a significant role in imparting a luxurious feel to their creation. Here, billionaires can order any facilities they desire for their ship, with the understanding that there will be additional costs. If the request is simply for a bedroom akin to a five-star hotel, the shipbuilders readily agree to their demands. Even the dreams of owning a swimming pool or a helicopter landing pad can become a reality, as long as you have the funds to make it happen. Back at the factory, an employee is seen meticulously assembling the electrical system of this ship, which is then installed by this diligent man. The rest of the wood craftsmen will install interiors to give the ship a luxurious and elegant impression. Outside the ship, several employees are busy preparing the painting process on the exterior body. This process is 100% carried out by trained employees to spray the base coat to the clear coat on the ship's body. After the painting process is finished, some supporting equipment starts to be loaded. For example, a lifeboat for safety equipment in case of an emergency. As for the captain's equipment, a radar is installed on top of this ship. With the help of a crane, the radar installation process can be carried out quickly. With that, this luxurious and elegant yacht is ready to sail around the world. But before being released to the sea, a ceremonial will be conducted to bless the ship that will carry hundreds of people to various corners of the world. Everyone involved in the creation of this magnificent ship will gather and participate in the ceremony. They have the right to take pride because it is their hard work and sweat that has made this masterpiece a reality. Thanks to them, a luxurious ship of the Serena yacht class could be created. This luxury ship was also born from the hands of a world-renowned designer named Espen Ueno. Due to its luxury and stunning beauty, Yuri Shefler, a Russian billionaire, set his heart on owning Serena. The price Yuri had to pay to own this luxury yacht reached $330 million. It is only fitting that the price of this ship touches $1 billion. Even the motor yacht Topaz has a price of $527, which is a pride of the Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates. Topaz itself offers a luxurious hotel experience to those who ride it, with the advantage of circling the beautiful expanse of the sea, until we are amazed by the helicopter landing that can be used to relax and sunbathe under the scorching sun. It feels as if we've been hypnotized by the facilities provided by this ship, thanks to its enchanting interior. Behind all this, there's Holland Yachtbouw, which became the cornerstone of the birth of this great ship. However, as time progresses, humanity continuously creates even more amazing masterpieces. We can prove this from the presence of the Aam Yacht, which successfully attracted the interest of the President of the United Arab Emirates to sail together. With a budget of $600 million, our eyes will be spoiled thanks to the design presented. The elegant design can be seen as soon as we enter the Aam Yacht. Disappointment never crosses our mind because we have to part with a chunk of money to pay for this beauty. Including paying $1.5 billion to own the Eclipse Yacht. That's the price a Russian billionaire had to pay to own the second most expensive yacht in the world. But it's worth it when seeing the facilities and ambiance provided by this ship. With a private swimming pool, anyone can relax while watching the sunset over the vast sea. For resting, elegantly themed rooms will pamper the sultans who own it. The luxury of a palace is ever present in our view while sailing with the Eclipse Yacht. But that's nothing compared to the history's Supreme Yacht, which becomes the most expensive yacht in the world. Yes, this yacht is the most expensive, with a price reaching $4.4 billion. Stuart Hughes' boldness in setting such a high price for this yacht relies not just on its elegant design, but because the yacht is coated with 100,000 kilograms of gold, making the production cost of this ship reach $1 billion. Even more astonishing, this yacht is adorned with real T-Rex dinosaur bones,